matter where we go or what we see, it's always better when you're with me.
9 years po kami today. Anniversary po namin today.
And yun nga po, kaya din po namin napili na for anniversary. Kasi sobrang important nung date na to sa amin dalawa.
Noong una po talaga, ko lang po siya, happy crush.
Lagi siyang binubuyo ng mga kaibigan niya sa akin na ganito, si Crisel, mag-hi ka sa kanya. Tapos doon nakita, ay, ang cute naman itong babaeng to. Ganyan, hanggang dito ko lang. Tapos, ang ng cheeks, ganda ng smile.
She's the moon, sun, and all the stars above. With you, my love, I feel so loved. I don't need to have it all figured out. So yeah, with you, there's no doubt. With you by my side, oh, oh, oh. There's nothing that we can't do.
Thanks, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it now, bro. Bro.
We'll share stories, we'll share dreams in each other's company. Oh, how my life seems. Kind of carries us true. I feel strong. Together we'll make it all alone. Open road.
Excited ka ba do?
Ngayon, excited lang ako makita yung mapapangasawa.
Nung nagpe-prep pa lang po kami, talaga na-imagine na po namin na magiging masaya. Since family and close friends lang po talaga yung in-invite namin. Tsaka po yun, napafeel po nila sa amin na sobrang excited nila. Kaya mas lalo kami na-excite din. Na-imagine namin lahat makiki-vibe, makiki-join talaga sa mga trip namin ngayong araw.
Hi, mahal. Konti na lang magkikita na tayo. Na-excite na ako na makasama ka habang buhay. And pangako ko sa'yo na magiging the best husband ako para sa'yo.
Harapan na po.
I hope
Ay, ang pogi mo. Ba't naiyak ka agad? Wala pa.
we could figure it out. I never meant to hurt you, don't you fall back. I always think of you.
Ako, pogi ba ako?
My love, finally we made it. Before I met you, I thought hindi ko deserve na mahalin, hindi makakapag-asawa at tatanda na lang dalaga because of what I went through in my past relationships.
It's been exactly 9 years since nung sinagot mo ako.
Ang weird, but I believe in your promise. And now, we're here. Sobrang grateful and thankful ako kay Lord kasi yung mga bagay na pinag-usapan lang natin ngayon, unti-unti na natin natutupad.
At ngayon nakatayo ako sa harap mo. Parang bumalik ulit yung slow mo na yun.
Baby, I will pay for you. Maybe we should go back down. I don't see you when I
But there's one promise I made 9 years ago that I will never forget.
I still remember nung una pa lang tayo nag-uusap. Wala pa tayong 3 days magkausap nun. At hindi ka pa official na nanliligaw. Pero nangangako ka na sa akin na papakasalan mo ako.
Sinabi ko noon na ikaw ang babaeng nakikita ko nga harapin ko sa altar. Nakakatuwang isipin na ngayong araw, natupad ko yung pangakong yun.
I promise you, mahal, na hindi kita iiwan at tatanda tayo magkasama.
For 9 years, you have always backed me up. You always lift my spirits and make sure that my heart is in the right place.
Naalala ko dati at hindi ko malilimutan yung bulaklak na natanggap ko from you. sabi mo sa akin, hindi ka kumain para lang mabili mo yun. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung mga ganun mong effort at mas lalo kitang minamahal dahil doon.
Pero mahal, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa'yo kasi kahit ganun kahirap, hindi ka sumuko.
Maraming salamat, mahal, dahil hindi mo ko binigo sa mga pangakong binitawan mo sa akin.
Kaya ngayon umaharap ako sa'yo bilang lalaking masasabi kong karapat dapat para sa'yo. Hindi dahil sa sarili kong galing, kundi dahil binuo mo ko para maging ganun. I would not be where I am today if it wasn't for you.
Walang taong perfect, but we can work it out. We can be successful in our relationship. God is the source of our.
Thank you for introducing me to God and making Him the center of our relationship.
For the past 9 years, we've walked through pain and struggle that could have broken us, but instead, they shape us. Through every tear, every doubt, and every challenge, we choose each other. We build a love rooted in patience, forgiveness, and deep faith.
You push me to become a better person, and I promise to walk with you every step of the way.
Ngayon, kasal na tayo. Pinapangako ko, simula ngayon, hindi ka na mag-iisa.
I promise that I will never leave you and I will never intentionally hurt you.
Happy anniversary, mahal. Thank you dahil ginawa mo akong mahina sa mundong kailangan parati akong malakas. Ang sarap sa feeling na hindi ko na kailangan mag-alala at mag-isip dahil nandyan ka para gabayan at alagaan ako. Thank you, mahal, sa magulo kong pag-iisip. Nandyan ka para maging kapayapaan ko. Sa tuwing natatakot ako, nandyan ka para magpakalma sa akin. And now, with a heart that has grown stronger because of you, I'm excited to spend my life loving you. Happy anniversary, mahal. I love you so much.
At doon ko naintindihan na sa gitna ng ingay ng mundo, may lugar pala na tahimik. Isang mundong hindi kailangang perpekto, basta magkasama lang tayo. At ngayong araw na to, sa wakas, natupad ko ang pangako noon. And today, I make another promise that I will love you, I choose you, and stand beside you for the rest of my life. I can't wait to be your husband forever.
I love you.
I love you.